Hi Umaira, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning Aisha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Umar, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How was the homework fun?
Ma'am, I did, but I did not upload.
You
I
didn't
did.
upload, no worries, we'll do
Ma'am,
it
I
together.
got it. I love this.
Okay. We'll all do it together today. Umaira, you finished Hamdan? Hi Hamdan, good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
How was the homework? Easy?
No, ma'am, I did not do it now. I'll do it.
You did not
Oh,
do
no,
it.
ma'am.
Why? You had so many days.
No, ma'am, that one, before one I did it.
Yes, that one only. Because I want everyone to do it together. So once we clear that homework today, we'll discuss it and then I will post a new one. Okay?
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
we have still few more to join. We'll just wait for another 2 minutes. Umar is not around, I think so. Aisha, how was the homework? Easy?
Ma'am, it was very easy. I completed.
Very good. हम्म
एक किसका घर का थोड़ा सा झलक भी दिखता है ना यू कैन स्टडी अ लॉट विथ दैट लिटिल आल्सो
Ravindra Chashma, even he wears specs. हम Okay, shall we start? I'll just share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. No. So on my screen, first I can see today is Umaira. Umaira, tell me what is the answer for first one? It is 23 plus 5.3. Umaira, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done your homework? No?
No.
Why? You had so many days. Last Tuesday I've posted it. Sorry, Wednesday, right? Why haven't you completed your homework, Umaira? You had so many days.
I forgot, ma'am.
Okay, come on, right now take your spiral binding book and start doing it fast. Okay, Zuveria, 23 plus 5.3.
7.6.
Okay. Next, Aisha Kazi. Next, you have 5011 minus 10. What is the answer? Five.
Ma is correct. The first one.
Yes. Yes. If I don't tell anything and I move on to the next one, then your answer is correct. Okay. The next one is 50.11 minus 10. What is the answer, Aisha Kazi? I can't hear you. Unmute yourself, Aisha.
Ma'am, there is some internet problem. I can't hear you.
Now can you hear me?
Your voice is cracking very much.
Zuveria, Umar, you all can hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aisha, what is the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, I still can't hear you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
it's
you're
okay.
asking me.
Umar, okay, Aisha Aga is in. Fine. Umar. Umar. Is Umar around? Okay. Aisha Aga. The second one, 50.11 minus 10. What is the answer?
Ma'am, can I get my notebook?
Yes, please. Okay, Umar is back. Umar, 50.11 minus 10. What is the answer? Umar, 50.11 minus 10. What is the answer? I can't hear you. Be loud.
I'm just taking my pencil. I just found my book.
Okay, please tell me the answer for the second one.
I'm there.
Okay, Hamdan. Third one. 2 into 2.2.
4.4.
Good. Hamza. Fourth one. 10.10 plus 100.
110.10. Ma'am,
Excellent.
110.10.
Very good. Umar, did you find your book? Tell me the answer for the second one. Okay, while others are telling the answer, for example, I'm asking one person the answer. Others have to check your answers whether it is right or no, okay? What is wrong with Umar today? Umar, what is the answer for the second one? 50.11 minus 10.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm there.
अरे आलिफ को नाश्ता कराया मैंने अभी क्लास में नहीं बैठा मैंने ऊपर
Okay, fine. Aisha Aga, tell me the answer for the second one. 50.11 minus 10.
Ma'am, I'm still doing the first one.
This was the homework. You didn't do it?
Yes, I did it. I forgot. Ma'am, the answer is 40.11.
Correct. Very good. Come on, now we are on the fifth one.
0.
One again.
Ma'am, Aisha told the answer for the second one.
Yes, that was 40.11. Okay. Now the fifth one, that is the E one. A, B, C, D, E. 54.45 minus 45.54.
Ma'am, answer is 8.91.
8.91. What is your
Yes,
answer?
ma'am. 08.91.
Fine, I'll come back to that, okay? The
It's
answer is
08.91. Sorry. I forgot to say 0.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which should I do?
Come
Ma'am,
on.
can
Can I say the F1?
Yes, please, Aisha Kazi.
Ma'am, the sixth answer
And the
can I say?
answer is
I'll come back to
1.2.
everybody a turn. 1 minute. Aisha could not hear me for a very long time. So let her answer the F1. That is 1.22 into 100.
1.20. 1.2200.
1.2200. Okay.
And that is
No, ma'am.
122. It is
Ma'am, it is
122.00.
122.00.
Yes, ma'am, the answer is 122.00.
Yes, ma'am. The one answer is 122.00 and 122.00.
I told you ignore the point, ignore the decimal point for some time. So what will your answer be? 1, 2,
One
2,
thou-
0, 0,
Yes, ma'am.
correct?
It is
And then
1,220,
the
ma'am.
decimal point
Yes, ma'am. It is 1,220.
122.00 will be your answer. Aisha Kazi,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
No.
Ma'am, I wrote it like
Ma'am,
this.
can I say the G1?
1 minute, Aisha, I'm coming to you, dear. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
I wrote it
answer
like
is
this.
1578.3832.
That is 1,563.
No, ma'am. Wa-
Plus
wa- 1,578.832.
Ma'am, see the F1. 122.00.
yes, yes, Hamdan, I can see that. Thank you. Now we are on the G1. Everybody check your answers. What is your
Ma'am,
answer?
the G answer is 1,832.
Have you all got it correct?
No, ma'am. It is 834.
Come on, I'll come to my board.
Ma'am, what answer? Ma'am,
Hold.
I got the answer correct.
1 minute, Aisha, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll just come to my whiteboard. Come on, back in action. Is the board clearly visible?
Yes.
Just put this light off. Okay, we are on which one?
Ma'am,
Okay, we were on which one? The G1. That is 1563.2, correct? Now I have 15.63. So I know I have to put a decimal point here. I will have 6, 3, 2 here and 1, 5 here. Now, did you all
ma'am,
understand?
first you write 2, 3, then 8, then again 8, then 7.
32.8 8715. So 1578.832 will be my answer.
See, ma'am, I got correct answer.
Okay. Everybody is on the same page. Aisha Kazi is looking too confused today. What happened, Aisha?
Nothing.
Did you answer?
Yes. I got 832.
And what about 1578?
Yeah, that also. I got that
Area.
full answer.
Ma'am, I got
Hamda, Umar, Zuveria.
Ma'am, I got also got correct answer.
So did you come to know where did you make a mistake?
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Ma'am, I did it in the decimal.
Okay. Please, after this, correct yourself. Okay,
my
correct
answer
the
came
sum.
right.
Can you write it again?
1578.
That is why I have confused you all with the same numbers. Now see, this is 600.20. Now next I have 6.20. So I told you the number which is to the right hand side of the point, is it in its ones place? So this is the ones place.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
like click here, then the point will come here, and then it is very simple. I just have to place this 200 here. Now wherever
Ma'am, which one?
wherever there are
004
zero, and I will okay
zero 004
minus.
0.606
Now minus.
Ma'am, which one you are doing? Which question?
004
I am doing the H1. Now I can't find the zero from 6. So I'm going to borrow from here.
Ma'am, the answer is 594.000.
Excellent. Understood, Zuveria? Hamza, Hamdan, did you all get the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also got the correct answer, ma'am.
Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am, I got it.
Okay, very good. Now, shall we move on to another one? Now, this one,
Ma'am, this next answer, can I say?
yes,
Ma'am, the answer, the
I
I
one.
answer is 1220.00.
1220.00. Okay.
Correct, ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes,
is correct?
correct. Next,
And the next answer is
1
50.9.
minute, Aisha. Let others also get a chance. It is 25.13. Now, next number is 25813. How will I write that?
Ma'am, first you will write 25.1300 and then 20 and then 258113.
Now, I get 30 here.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Yes, please.
25
And the answer is 50.9401.
25838.13.
Okay,
And the
Zaveria.
answer is 50.9413. Correct, ma'am?
It is 25,838.13.
Ma'am, I got it correct. What?
Yes. Hamdan. Give me a thumbs up if you all have got a right answer. Yes. Come on. Then, Aisha.
Well, thumbs up. Like, ma'am, that mistake, I minused it instead of plus.
Okay. Correct it later, okay? Now, next one is 152.
Ma'am, the next answer, can I please?
No, wait. Umaira, are you doing the sums?
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Umar has not told me one answer also. Umar is going to tell me now the next one. Come on. First, see, have I placed it properly? Now, 0 minus 0 gives me 0. I am just doing it, you all have to check, okay?
Ma'am, I did the
Did you all get 137.250?
J. Ma'am, I did the J question again and I got the same answer.
Yes, that's nice.
No,
Now-
means I got 50.9403.
Okay, I'll come back to the J1 after the last one. This is the second last one, that is K. Did you all get this answer? 1000.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
One is the answer 103 137.250.
Correct. Everybody has got the same answer?
Yes.
Come on. The last
Yes.
one is 3.64 into 2.5. Now I don't want any mistake.
Ma'am, the answer is 1.720.
Come on, let us see. 20. It is 9.100. Did you all get the answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Aisha? Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, it's 1.720.
It is 3.64 multiplied by 2.5. Do it again.
Ma'am, 9.100.
9.100. Yes. Aisha, can you correct? Just see here and see where have you gone wrong. Everyone, it was easy.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 91.00.
No.
9.100.
9.1.
9100 is my answer. When I come till here, now what is my next step? First thing you'll have to see whether you have multiplied the numbers properly. Once you reach to your final answer, that is 9100. Now I have to be careful where to place the decimal point. Now, in my both the numbers are decimal here, right? So
Yes.
here I have two numbers after the decimal point. And here I have one number after the decimal point. So total I have three numbers after the decimal point. So in my final answer, I will move towards my right from the last number, that is this, and I will move to three places towards my right. That is 1, 2, and 3. So the decimal point comes here. So it is 9.100. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I want a yes from everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any confusion? Where is Aisha Aga? I can't see her. Okay. Aisha Aga, any confusion? Aisha Kazi?
No.
I'm doing the last one.
Yes, please. And you want me to do the J1 again? I'm doing it. But you have to finish.
Complete this one.
Yeah, please complete
Ma'am,
it.
can you do it on the screen? I cannot see a whiteboard.
You want me to do it on the screen?
Yes.
Fine, I'll do that. 1 minute. So first thing, Aisha, tell me what is 364 multiplied by 25? What answer did you get?
What?
364 multiplied here. It goes like this.
Ma'am, I'm still doing that.
164.
I'm still doing that one.
Yes, please tell me the answer. Multiplied by 25. I have only ignored the decimal point for some time.
Ma'am, we have to see how many numbers are after the decimal and then we have to put it.
Yes.
Put the decimal.
Aisha, you had not done this sum before for the homework?
I did, ma'am, but I got wrong answer.
Okay, fine. So now what is your answer?
I am doing it right now.
Okay, fast, fast, fast. Come on. Wait, now till then, let me find one interesting sum for you all. I thought we will start division today, but we are very slow now. I'll have to start in the next class.
Ma'am, what are we going to study today?
That is what I told you. I thought we will start with division today. But now it is already 10:30. Hi, Chino. Good morning. Oh. No, Aisha. No, no. Hamza, wrong. How did you get 1020?
It's 1820.
How did Hamza get this 9? Okay, Aisha Kazi is writing it. Fine. Come on, y'all can't take so much time for simple multiplication. Aisha, everybody is waiting for you. Fast. What is this colon? What is this?
Ma'am, the answer is 910.0.
It is not 91 point. Now listen. Your final
No,
answer is
910.0.
no. The final answer is 9100. Yes.
Ma'am, there's no decimal point.
Is your answer 9100?
Oh, sorry, I put the decimal point wrong.
You have two numbers here. You have multiplied two decimal numbers with each other.
Yes, ma'am, I put the decimal
The
point
total number after the decimal point. Here you have two numbers and here you have one. So when I move to my ones place in the answer, I have to move to the third place from the right. That is 1, 2, and 3. So 9.100 will be my answer. Yes.
91.00.
No. 9.100.
9.100.
Yes. Come on, everybody. Two 268.2 268.2 multiplied by 2.4. Come on, fast.
Ma'am, can you write on the screen?
I am writing that for you.
Ma'am, and decimal annotation.
It is 268.2 multiplied by 2.4. Everybody do this, come on. Come on. You have 3 numbers on your screen and I want a proper answer from you all, whoever is answering. Come on. Be careful where the point is. Umaira, are you doing? Umaira Kasim? Come on, in next 1 minute, I want just the answer without the decimal point. I told you when it is a multiplication, ignore the decimal point initially. Just do a normal multiplication, what we do.
Ma'am, we have to give you the answer without the decimal point.
Yes, without the decimal point, please. Come on, Umar, where is Umar? Umar Hamdan. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Come on, quickly, fast.
हाथ दिखा रहा है तुम सॉल्व करेगा तो देगा आंसर खाली देख रहा है
Zaveria. Umaira Kasim, are you doing the sum? Umaira Kasim.
Yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
the answer. Come on for this, Umaira Kasim.
Ma'am, I wrote the answer on the board.
Okay, it is
Don't
6.
write on the board.
Ma'am, the answer is 643. 64368. And
Ma'am, the
the
answer
point
is
will be
That is
after
not right.
643.68.
Hamza,
ma'am,
this
the
is
answer is 64368
Point
for the first
yes.
one.
64638 is the answer, right?
Yes.
Then the next one is also the same answer. And the third one is also the same answer. Because all the numbers are same. I've only shifted the decimal point here and there. Did you all understand? Now, now everybody put your pen pencil down.
Ma'am, how it will happen? It's different.
I will show you. Did you get the answer, Umaira Kasim?
No.
Hamza, please wait. Hamza, Aisha, do not write on the board, please. Thank you.
Ma'am, I am not writing on the board.
No, I told Aisha Kazi. Umaira Kasim, what is your answer? Umaira Kasim, I'm talking to you. What is your answer?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
Why? Why so much time? We are taking 5, 6 minutes just for normal multiplication. How will you complete your paper in the assessment then? You'll have to be quick. Come on. Now everybody pay attention on the whiteboard on the Zoom. All your pen pencils down. Fast. Everybody, Zuveria, Umar, Aisha, Kazi, Hamdan, all your
Ma'am,
pencils down.
I kept my pencil down.
Yes. Now eyes on the whiteboard because the numbers are same. That is 2682 into 24. Your answers are going to be same. That is 64638. Now look at the first number says it is 268.2 into 2.4. So here I have one number in after the decimal point, and here also I have one number after the decimal point. That means I have two numbers after the decimal point. So in the answer from the ones place, I will move towards my right. I'll shift 2 places. So what will be my answer? I will leave 2 numbers from the units. I will leave the ones place, I'll leave the tens place, and then I will place a point. So this becomes 646.38.
Ma'am, this one is 64.638.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got 643.68.
64.638.
64. The first one is 646.38. Now when I come to the second one, I have 3 numbers after decimal point. So my answer becomes 64.638. Then again in the last one, I still have 3 numbers after the decimal point. So I will again put a point after 64. Am I right? Aisha, where is Aisha Aga? Understood, Aisha?
Ma'am, I got the answer different.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
What did you get, Aisha Kazi?
I got 643.68.
Which one?
The first one.
It is not 643.68. You have done some mistake in multiplication. Do it again.
Okay.
I'll do it on the board. Come on. Here. It is 2. I'm writing it bigger. 268.
Can you stop here and bring your video?
0.2.
What do you want?
4 2s are 8.
Hold on. 4 2s is 8.
8.
Again 4 8s is
4 8s are 16.
4 8s is 32.
Yes, 32.
So I write 2 and 3 carry over here. 4 6 is 24 plus 3
Yes,
gives me
27.
So 7 here, 2 carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 gives me 10. Now I'll put a cross mark here or a 0, whatever you all prefer to. 2 2s gives me 4.
4
2 8 is 16.
16.
Carry over 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13.
13.
Carry over 1. 2 2s
2
are 4
2s are 4 plus 1 5. Yes, ma'am, I did the same.
Okay, now I get 8 here. You have done a mistake. 4 8 is 32. Have you done
Ma'am,
mistake?
32 32 is
2 plus
written
4
as
is
it is. Like, ma'am,
16.
I did it same.
Okay. So now 4 plus 2 again gives me 8.
Ma'am, 4 plus 2 is 6.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 6 plus 7.
13.
I will carry over 1.
4 and 6.
So 6 4 3 6 8.
Yes, ma'am, that
I also got
was
that same answer.
6 4 3 6 8. Aisha, my mistake.
Ma'am, I also was wondering. I also got that. I got also 6 4 3.
Oh God. Okay. So 1 minute. I'll just delete this. Okay. I'll come back. So our answer is what, Aisha? 6 4.
643.68.
Okay, I'm again writing the same thing. 6 4 3 6 8. So in the first answer, your point is going to come where?
Ma'am, can I get water?
Yes, please. We just have 1 minute to go and then I'm winding up with the class. And I will be now putting a worksheet only on multiplication. Again, I'll put all multiplication and subtraction and addition. This time, please do it carefully so that in the next maths class, we have to start with decimals. Do anybody have any problem with the decimal point
Will
where
it
to
be
place
the
it?
same or the different?
Yes.
Ma'am, will it be the same or a different worksheet?
I will try to put something different, but I think so we will have to practice more addition, subtraction and multiplication. Yes. I will put more sums. I'll see to put 15 sums. Is that okay?
Let's start division.
Yes, in the next class, we have to start division. Now this multiplication is becoming very boring now.
Yes.
And Mira Kasim, next class, I want to see both the homeworks, okay?
Ma'am, do I have to post it or I already did it, so should I only do hand in?
It's okay if
And
you
the
don't
back
want
as that.
now, but the ones which I'm giving you now, please post that, okay?
Yes.
I just want to see whether you all have done the steps properly. Finally, we discuss all the answers in the class also. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So I am telling everybody you all have to complete your homework. You have your next maths classes on Thursday, right? Thursday. Humaira Kasim, can you listen?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to complete your homework and come on Thursday, okay? So by today evening, I'll post the sheet on the Google Classroom. Fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, you're giving homework today.
Yes, I'm giving you all an
Okay,
homework
ma'am.
today on decimal. And we will wind up with multiplication, addition and subtraction today after this homework. And then
Class, you will start division.
start with the division. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care. Bye.